guys. So guys, I came to do my provincial ID card. It's called Nova Scotia ID card. Yeah. It's, instead of carrying your passport, your Nigerian passport, your international passport, you carry your province ID card. So I came here to do the card. So yeah, so anyway, I'm carrying the card about. It's called Nova Scotia ID card. So I'm in the building. Yeah.
The first guy, no, the guy that came to me knows that this.
Sorry.
Yeah, I came to me first.
Huh? How my phone you just? So guys, we're done. I just did the province ID card. It's called Nova Scotia ID card. So it's a card that instead of you using your passport, you can use it in place of your passport, your international passport. It's called Nova Scotia ID card because my province is Nova Scotia. So depending on your province, you understand. So they're advisable for you guys today. So that's what I just did right now. I'm heading back home. I came from class. I'm going back home. So good morning, guys. So today I want to go. Today I'll be washing clothes today, and today is Saturday. So every weekend I normally wash my clothes. So I want to go and load the ATM card first. After I load the ATM card, then I'll now proceed to the washing machine and the dryer. Back then in Nigeria, we normally wash inside bath, then spread on the rope outside the house. But here we have to use dryer, washing machine. Then before we can use that, we have to pay. So this is the card that I'll use to load. Then this is my card I will use to transfer the loading to the washing machine card. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. So guys, this is where you load your card. So let me quickly load my card. And once I load my card, I'll head straight to the laundry room to wash. So I'll keep you guys posted. Huh? That's in the wash already.
Yes.
This thing. Okay, okay.
Still have it.
I need to do content now.
It's not the content where you want.
Yeah. Just see. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Meant to buy using it so.
Yes. See the TV. This one is personal.
This one will be expensive.
No, this one. My own, to buy that my own now.
Yeah.
500k dollars.
This is like 1 point.
This one.
Yeah.
1.something billion naira.
Yeah.
Notice.
So, know some jeans and duvet. So we'll put heavy for everything.
So, waiting inside.
Yeah.
Waiting inside.
Jeans, trousers, duvet, and sweater. One sweater.
Okay. Which means they are heavy materials.
Yeah, included.
That's what
Okay.
determines it.
Okay. Then go compress that,
Mm.
or the temperature, the cycle.
I'm not sure say you need the temperature.
I mean this one, this cycle.
Okay, no, the separate. So
Which-
you can
normal.
do normal wash. You
Okay.
can do what do you call it?
Palm press,
And,
delicate.
delicate and bulky.
Okay. Which
Not
one
sure you
colour?
have anything delicate.
No. So it will be normal.
So normal is selected. The temperature, warm, cold, and this. And there is
Warm.
like warm.
Yeah.
Hot,
Yeah.
sometimes hot.
Won't be alright.
Warm, do alright. Then you start. Right?
Yeah.
So it's already on wash.
Wash.
So basically this will track
Okay.
this in. Start from wash. Once it's washed, 2 days. After it,
Yeah.
you spray.
Okay. So let's start. How many minutes you can make like this? How many minutes supposed to
You
be?
will need to check.
So guys, it's currently washing. It will be done in 3 minutes. Yeah. So I had to borrow my flatmate soap. This thing stressed me. So I have to change. I have to remove the previous top I was wearing. It was dirty, so I changed to this one. Fresh. So this is the dryer. Once I'm done with this one, I'm going to remove the clothes from here, then put it here. This dryer. Then it's $2.5 per dry. While this one is 3.6 per wash. So it's washing. I'll keep you guys posted. Don't go anywhere. Joke. Oh boy, so my Starboy shirt. Give me wine. So guys, the thing is done washing, so I want to transfer it to the dryer machine. Yeah. So this is the yep. So this is the washing machine. So this is the dryer. I've transferred it to the dryer for it to dry. Yep. guys, this is the dryer. Mid temperature. Yeah, so I have to wait for 60 minutes. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So I'll come back in the next 1 hour. By this one, I waited for like 35 minutes. The washing machine waited for like 35 minutes. Then this one, I waited for 40. This one, I'm going to wait for 1 hour. Yeah. So we are going to do some setting. Here is high temperature, low temperature. So I selected mid temperature because I have some thick stuff in there. So these are the instructions. You place your card here for 4 seconds, then you press start. Likewise here, this one has light, medium, heavy. If your clothes are light, medium or heavy clothes, if you want normal wash, permanent press, duplicate. If you have too much clothes, then for here the temperature, if you want hot, warm, I normally use warm. You understand? But you can use auto, but I normally use warm, cold. Then you press start. These are the instructions here. Yeah. So this is water to wash your hand. This is the way it's going. So 59. So guys, I'll be going back to my room. Then I'll come back in an hour time. So in the next 1 hour it should be done. So I'll keep you guys posted. Don't go anywhere. Joke, oh boy. This place be like tunnel. It's like tunnel. Okay guys, I'm back. Remain 2 minutes. Let's do the countdown. 2 minutes. 1 minute. Let's go. 1 minute. So guys, it's done. You can see it's saying open door. Yeah. Wow. It's very dried. Very dried. So let me quickly pack it in my bag. I'll see it. So it's washed my towel very well. Guys, this is it. I'm done. So guys, this is the end of the video. Yeah, so this is my laundry for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.